Join me as I try to explore the Pleiades and North America Nebula tonight, all with just my telescope and a little bit of luck. The Pleiades and North America Nebula are two of the most stunning celestial objects that you can observe in the night sky. They're perfect for stargazing, and I'm excited to share with you why they're so special. Light pollution is a major challenge when trying to observe these beautiful night sky features. It's caused by the excessive light emitted by cities, towns, and other human activities, which makes it difficult to see the stars and other celestial objects. This is especially true for people living in urban areas, where the sky can be so bright that it's hard to spot even the brightest stars. In fact, did you know that light pollution can make it up to 100 times harder to see the stars? That's a lot of light. Even in rural areas, you can still see the effects of light pollution, although it's much less severe. The Pleiades, also known as the Seven Sisters, is an open star cluster located about 444 light-years away from Earth. It's made up of 7 bright stars that are visible to the naked eye, and many more that can be seen with a telescope. The North America Nebula, on the other hand, is a giant star-forming region located about 800 light-years away from Earth. It's a vast cloud of gas and dust that's giving birth to new stars. Both of these objects are significant in astronomy because they can help us learn more about the formation and evolution of our universe. They're also relatively close to us, which makes them easier to study. One of the most awe-inspiring facts about the Pleiades is how it appears in the night sky. When viewed through a telescope, the Pleiades looks like a beautiful, sparkling cluster of stars, surrounded by a faint, reflective glow. The North America Nebula, on the other hand, looks like a giant, glowing continent in the sky with intricate details and patterns that are just breathtaking. The Pleiades and North America Nebula are two of the most stunning celestial objects that you can observe in the night sky tonight. They're perfect for stargazing, and I encourage you to take a look. If you've had any experiences stargazing and observing these objects, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more astronomy content, and I'll catch you in the next video. And as always, keep looking up.